up my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Melon Mishy, and today I'm just coming on. I don't really know what I want to do with my face, but I know I want to look cute. I know I want to go for kind of an orangey vibe, and I feel like it's just been a while since I've like sat in front of my camera and just spoke to you guys and done a little beat to my face. So you're gonna have to excuse me. I've moved rooms, so my bedroom is right next to the main road, well, like the road on our road, but it's quite a busy road, so please excuse any cars going past. I'll try my best to like talk when the cars are not going past, which is super annoying, but we're just gonna deal with it. I've got a couple of new skincare and makeup bits, so I kind of just want to show you guys what I've been loving at the moment, and things that I'm just trying out for the first time as well. Yeah, so I just had a shower, did a INNISFREE rose face mask because my skin has been getting a bit more texture lately. I think I've been having more allergic reactions lately, maybe staying indoors all day and all the dust. I don't know. My lips are crusty AF, so I'm going to use the LANEIGE sleeping lip mask. You guys have seen this in so many videos of mine. You already know how much I love this stuff, and a little goes a long way, and the pot is humongous, so it's going to last you forever. But yeah, I hope you guys have been keeping healthy, safe, and as much as possible indoors. I would say I'm quite a homebody naturally, but this at the same time is super weird. In my own case, I am a NHS worker, so I obviously still have to go to work. I'm not a nurse, I'm not frontline. I basically don't have to deal with COVID patients whatsoever. However, the hospital that I work at has, I think, one of the highest number of cases of COVID in the country, so there's always this sense of fear in the air, but at the same time I know that I'm doing what I need to do to ensure that I'm keeping safe, wearing masks, everything I can do in order to ensure, you know, I'm not. Yeah, I think that's all I kind of want to touch on with COVID, because I feel like it's the topic of every single conversation at the moment. But yeah, I'm good. I hope you guys are good. That's all. Today I'm going to be using the NARS Sheer Glow. My shade is in Namibia. Namibia. I feel like not applying too much today. I kind of want a sheer look, like a skin-like finish. Oh, maybe to sheer it down actually, I'm gonna use my Sunday Riley food oil, just a tiny amount, but I think it will be nice to add a bit of a dewy feel to the look. I'm literally just gonna, okay, literally dabs. I'm losing daylight, the sun is literally setting, but we move. That's nice though. I kind of like that finish. I'm always trying to find my foundation shade, guys. Like, what do you think of this undertone? I think my undertone is quite difficult to figure out. When I say this, I mean every time I go to a different counter, I mean obviously not right now, but before, I would be matched with foundations that were a bit too red. I had my Lancome shade for a really long time, which you guys might have seen me use on this channel previously. That's meant to be a neutral, no, that one's a yellow undertone, but then this shade that I've got here is meant to be like a subtle rose undertone. I don't know, and I've been trying to get like more drugstore products, but it's so difficult to figure out what shade I am. I don't have money to just be, you know, experimenting on shades that I think are gonna work and then realize they don't. Like, I don't have money for that, so can't really be going to the shop right now to be looking for foundation shades anyway, so it's fine. Basically, I saw Jackie Aina do this on her channel. Biggest inspiration, yes. She used the e.l.f. concealers, so I bought 3. I bought 3 different shades, but she used this one in chocolate to correct her under eyes, so I'm gonna give that a try. I'm a bit darker than her, but it's still an orangey toned concealer for me, obviously, as it is for everyone. All right, like that. And I'm gonna maybe comment then. I never do this, but I am a sufferer of a melanated beard, so I'm gonna correct this area as well, because I feel like it always pops through my foundation and it's not cute. You know those feels you get when you have that new sponge, guys. Oof. But yeah, I want my cheeks to pop under my highlights, so from within, you know. Just gonna pop these drops. Again, I've used this in my previous video, but I like this ish so much. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Where does the light naturally hit? There we go. Thank you, sun. Okay. That looks pretty glowy to me. Ooh. I mean, I look pretty glowy anyway, but I'm gonna set this all after, don't worry. Right, now that's had a bit of time to set, I'm gonna dab it in. Ooh. That blends beautifully, wow. Elf has done something. Wow, 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 wow. How was this concealer £5? And it's literally covered all of my sins. I like how glowy I am right now though. That oil was, sorry, I'm just feeling myself. I haven't put makeup on properly for like, God knows how long, since my last tutorial. So whenever a bit of slap hits my face, clearly I just, my head inflates. Right, to highlight I'm gonna use 2 shades, and then to conceal I'm gonna use my old trusty FENTY stick. What is this called? What is this actually called? Matchstick in Espresso. Oh, I like this applicator as well. Yo, this video might as well be a review for this concealer because it's actually doing bits. Like, I'm very, very impressed. I feel like I probably need to go and get the darker ones that they've made with FENTY though, the darker matchsticks, because this one seems, I don't know, I just like a bit more of a, you know, contour that just hits you in the face. No, it literally just comes for you and your edges. Oh, we're going for an extra snatch look today, it seems. Okay, okay, just work with that. Work with it. It's gonna be extra dimensional. Let me use my foundation brush, and hopefully this will. Oh no, no. Okay, okay, okay. Where's the first place that you guys are gonna go to after quarantine though? Honestly, I think I just want to go like roam around central London, go to Borough Market, get a smoothie, just be outdoors. I feel like summer in London is actually really nice, and I say this all the time. I feel like if London had just 50 more days of sunshine in the year, it would be a perfect place, but it doesn't, so I'm rambling. Anyway, so I'm using this for my brows as per usual. This is just the Benefit Precisely My Brow. They're pretty cute. Let's just give the struggle brow bit of an extra push. My brows are looking yummy. Right, before the sun sets, let's do an eye look. Actually, no, you know what? I don't know what I want to do with my eyes yet, but what I do know is that I want some kind of orangey color on my cheeks. So I'm going to use GLOSSIER. GLOSSIER's Cloud Paint in Dawn. You have to be really careful with how much you use. I feel like I always get it wrong. That. Woo. That's cute. That is real cute, sis. Wow. Might even use some more. Woo. Please don't overdo it. And then I'll put it all around my face so it just makes me look like I'm a bit sun-kissed. Next, I'm gonna put my chin, because why the heck not? Now we set the tone for the face, all the base. It's looking flawless. Let's do, let's try this one first. That's kind of cute. I might put that on my lower lash line as well. My face is feeling a bit dry, so I'm just going to use some of this CAUDALIE face mist. To do a liner or not to do a liner? Let's do a liner. But you know what? I'm going to soften it up a bit and add a bit of brown where I've done my liner, just to like make it a bit more soft, you know? Nice. Right, let's give myself some lashes because I look naked. Right, I'm using NARS Climax. You guys have seen me use this before, but I'm gonna do it in this kind of motion towards the outer half of my eye, just to give myself more of a foxy eye look. But this is not a foxy eye look. That's to come for a later day. Talk about perfect order of makeup, but hey, finesse it anyway. Let's get back to the mascara. There's literally a lady outside my window watching me put makeup on, but it's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this colored pencil in my tear duct as I try to stop my contact lens from falling out my eye at the same time. And just a tiny bit of mascara on the bottom lash line. Don't want to overdo it. Ooh! My contact lens is about to fall out. Okay, let's see if I can fit this in before my camera dies. Last but not least, I'm going to use the GLOSSIER Generation G and Zip. I think I'm going to do a bit of a brown liner. Okay, my battery's gonna die. Okay, my battery just died. Sometimes it sets up the face. Not gonna lie, I can't even see my face right now, so I don't even know if this makeup look is cute or not, but you guys can tell me what do you think. Take some natural light. Sorry, I'm just quickly gonna go out to my backyard because I think the look will look real cute in a natural light before the sun sets. Let's have a look and see. Oh yes! That golden hour. This is okay. This is a golden hour look. Now let me get some selfies in still. Wait, I need to put my camera down, guys. Or maybe I'll put it on the bush. Nah, that's not gonna support still. Let me put you guys here. Okay, so I just took a shit ton of selfies. So I hope I put one cute thumbnail. But yeah, look guys, this is such a beautiful look. I cannot believe I executed this. Considering I put oil on my face as well, like I'm just glowing. I wish I had somewhere to go right now. This is actually tragic. Now I'm just gonna have my dinner and cry about it because no one's gonna see this look apart from you guys, obviously. I really like these concealers though. I definitely would recommend them, guys, if you're looking for a budget-friendly concealer. I hate to say it, but I feel like it's kind of a dupe for Fenty. I guess the longevity I haven't checked out with that yet, but bro, this is sexy. Sorry. Why am I looking so cute with nowhere to go? Anyway, so this wasn't a super chatty video, yeah, I'm just kind of getting back into talking to myself, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video either way. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share with anyone that you feel like will benefit from making themselves look cute as well in these tough times. Oh, look at Robin. That's so cute. Anyway, I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.